Shopping during crazy sale. Let's get started. Hi madam. How may I help you? Are you looking for anything in particular?
I'm looking for a jacket. Can you show me the jackets placed at the last row of the cabinet?
Sure. Are these two items in blue and grey?
Exactly. They look stylish.
You have a very good sense.
Really? I was attracted by their overall designs.
They are the new arrivals of the coming season. The one in blue with iconic style was designed with multifunctional features. It keeps you comfortable whenever you're doing sports during the daytime or having drinks in the evening. The one in grey was made with a series of recycled materials. Its lightweight design brings you extra comfort with freedom of movement. It's our trending product for reducing plastic waste. You'll feel fresh and charming after wearing it.
Great. I would like to try these on. Do you have these in a medium size?
Yes. Please wait for a moment. I'll get these from the storeroom.
Never mind. Can you show me the changing room as well?
This way please. It's close to the cashier.
Got it. I'm waiting there.
Hi madam. Here you go. Please have a try.
Thanks. Let me check.
If you need any help, I'll be right over here. Hi madam. How do you like these two jackets?
The one in blue looks feminine. The one in grey gives me super comfort. Both of them give me a classy look. It's so difficult for me to select.
We're now having promotion. If you buy two items during the promotion period, you can get the second item with half of its price.
Wow. It's insane.
It's a special promotion because our shop celebrates the 5th anniversary of our opening. We reward our customers for years of support.
That's very attractive.
Please do not miss the opportunity. The promotional offer lasts till the end of this week.
What's the average price of each item after the discount?
Let me calculate it. It's only $100 per item. Both of the items were made in Italy and are good value for money.
I can't make up my mind. I originally planned to buy one jacket only.
We're now having our anniversary sale. It's our double and crazy offer.
It's only for my casual wear during the weekend. If I bought both of them, I might not wear any of them frequently. It would cause the waste.
Hi madam. It can actually save you quite a lot. We seldom have such offer.
Although they fit perfectly, I'll take one of them this time. I like the one in grey because it was made from recycled materials.
No problem. Hi madam. Do you need a pant to go with that? I've a good suggestion for you.
How's that? Can you show me? I would also like to check this out.
I would like to recommend this pant for you. Please take a look of this soft and stretchy fabric. You can move and stretch comfortably. There are zip pockets, which can keep your personal essentials safe.
Let me see. The classic design looks great. Please give me a try.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Large should be fine. Do you have this in black?
Sorry. The one in black is out of stock. We'll be getting new stock this Friday. We can keep the stock for you and notify you by phone. Will you try the dark blue color in large size first?
It's fine. I can try the size first.
Thank you. Would you please try this on?
The dark blue color is pretty good. Is the item still in stock?
Yes. We've stock now.
Will the medium size fit me better? What do you think? It seemed to me that the length was a bit long.
You can also try medium size for comparison. Please wait for a minute. I'll get the stock for you.
After comparing two sizes, I think the one in medium size fits me very well.
Agreed. It looks like it was made just for you. You can also get the half price of the second item. This item is a new stock from the warehouse. Please consider it.
Fantastic. I'll take both items.
Thank you, madam. How would you like to pay for this?
Do you have extra discount when paying with specific credit card?
Yes. If you pay with our co-branded credit card, you'll get an extra 5% discount. If you pay with any mobile wallets listed here, you can get one chance of lucky draw.
Great. I'll pay with a co-branded credit card.
Sure. Please take note that our clearance sale items cannot be refunded. Please check both items carefully, in case that there is any problem.
Okay, and they're fine.
Thank you, madam. Here's your receipt. Do you need a bag?
I've brought my bag. When is the Thanksgiving sale end? Can you remind me again?
It will last till the end of the week. We offer up to 50% off of some of the items. Please have a look of our catalog. You can find out the best offers easily.
It's very attractive. I'll shop around.
Hi, madam. Please find the stamp card. For each purchase of every $100, you are entitled to have one stamp. You've got 2 stamps.
How many stamps can I get the rewards?
Once getting 10 stamps, you can redeem our cash coupon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for shopping here. Do visit us again.